Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to PrepFusion. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about the secondary branch. Sir, I am going to fill my gate form. Sir, primary branch I will be taking EC or electrical or instrumentation. Sir, what should be my secondary branch? That we are going to discuss. Along with that, we will discuss about gate RA as well. A lot of people are having the doubt that, sir, in robotics and automation, should I fill it as a secondary branch or not? So, that also we will discuss. So yeah, let's get started. And you guys have been asking about my health. So yeah, now the health is fine. Okay, you can see my voice is also decent enough now. And yesterday I made 1 hour of video as well. So along with that, I have started the recording of control systems as well. Okay, control system we are going to start from 3rd September onwards. That's the promise that I have made. So yeah, I am better, not completely fit. Within 1 or 2 days, I guess I will be completely fit. Okay, so yeah, let's make this video because today onwards you guys will be filling the gate form. So it is required now. Let's talk about EC first. So being a EC student, what all the secondary branches you can choose? Sir, instrumentation, RA, electrical, CSC and DA. I guess these are the branches that you can choose. Now if I am someone who is sincerely preparing for GATE EC, sir, I will complete 8 to 10 subjects in the best possible comprehensive manner. I will prepare for GATE EC only. So if I am preparing sincerely for GATE EC, then the secondary option I would have chosen instrumentation without any doubt. Without any second thought, I would have gone for instrumentation. Okay, because syllabus is common, like 75% of the syllabus is common. 75% of the syllabus I should not say, I should say 75 marks you will be able to attempt in instrumentation if you are preparing sincerely for GATE EC. Roughly around 75 marks you will be able to attempt. This is a rough estimation that I am telling. So if I am someone from EC, I would have gone for instrumentation without a single thought if I am preparing sincerely for GATE EC only. Understandable? I can tell my example only in GATE 2022. In GATE 2022, I wrote down my GATE attempt. In the instrumentation examination, I got 79 marks. And I did not prepare for instrumentation subject. Okay, I had no knowledge of instrumentation subject. And these interruption would be there. So only for this video, you guys have to bear it. Okay. Yeah, so what I was saying, I did not have any knowledge of instrumentation subject. I still got 79 marks. A lot of people ask me this query as well, that sir, I am preparing for GATE EC, secondary branch I am going for instrumentation. Should I prepare for it? Absolutely not. You only prepare for your primary branch. You only prepare for your major branch. The secondary paper is just as a mock test. If you mess up your primary paper, then secondary paper may be helpful for you. Or if the secondary paper is taking place before the primary paper, let's just say my primary paper is GATE EC and secondary paper is GATE instrumentation. But on the first weekend, I have the examination of instrumentation. On the second weekend, I have the examination of EC. So that instrumentation examination would work as a mock test for me. And now let's just say on first weekend, I have the examination of EC. On the second weekend, I have the examination of instrumentation. Then if I have matched up the first weekend, then I can utilize the second weekend. So this is how you are preparing. That means you don't prepare for secondary branch. That's the bottom line. Is that understandable to you? Now there might be some EC guys who are inclined towards robotics. Okay, so this robotics thing I am telling for everyone. Electrical, EC, instrumentation, for everyone. If you are someone who is inclined towards robotics, in your college you have done some projects in robotics or basics of microprocessor, microcontrollers. Like if you have done some project, that means you would have known some basics of microprocessor and microcontroller, no? Right? So if you are someone who is inclined towards robotics, you want to make your career in robotics, then as a secondary branch, you can go for GATE RA. Why I am saying so? Because this year competition will be lesser. In GATE RA, competition will be less. This is the first thing. Secondly, the question paper will be coming on the easier side this year because it is the first paper, no? You take any examination, whenever they conduct first paper, no, it would be on the easier side. Because if they set up let's just say first year only, they set up the tough question paper, the next year no one will come. Are you able to understand this point? Let's just say today I am introducing a new branch and today only, in the first time only, I set up a tough question paper. The next year what people will think, okay, this question paper will be on the tougher side, so I will not even attempt it. So always you see the GATE DA paper as well. GATE DA was introduced in 2024. So you see that question paper, that was also on the easier side. But nowadays you can see that GATE DA also, they are also increasing the level. So similarly with GATE RA as well, this will happen that this year question paper will be coming on the easier side. Even if you have studied the content on the surface level, no, still you will be able to get good marks. And this year competition will also be less. So if you are someone who is inclined towards robotics, then yes, you should go for GATE RA as your secondary paper. But if you are someone who is inclined towards VLSI, then don't go for GATE RA, go for GATE instrumentation. Because this year we are not sure that which IITs will be accepting the score of GATE RA. Are you able to understand this point? We don't know which IIT or ISC will be accepting the score of GATE RA, no? Like there is a robotics branch in ISC, I know. In some other college as well, there is robotics branch. So they will be accepting the score. But who knows, let's just say IIT Kanpur VLSI would say that I don't accept the score of GATE RA. I need the score of GATE EC, electrical or instrumentation. This may also happen, no? So we don't know how many seats would be there for GATE RA, guys. So if you are someone who is sure about robotics, no, if you are inclined towards robotics, then you can go for it. Now, sir, what is your assumption that, sir, if I am preparing for GATE EC, sincerely, sir, I am preparing for GATE EC. If I prepare for GATE EC, then with the knowledge of GATE EC, how much question paper I will be able to attempt? What I feel is that you will be able to attempt 60 marks of question paper. With the knowledge of GATE EC, what I feel is that you will be able to attempt 60 marks of question paper in GATE RA. I'm excluding programming, DSA or mechanical subjects, everything I am excluding. Only the knowledge of GATE EC or GATE electrical or GATE instrumentation. Because which subjects we are having? Network, analog, digital, control and signals. These subjects are common, and then engineering mathematics also. So common subjects we are having along with that general aptitude as well. So those 7 subjects which are common in EC, electrical and instrumentation, they are common for GATE RA as well. So this is my assumption. I don't know what kind of question paper would come up, but my assumption is that 60 to 65 marks of question paper you will be able to attempt with the knowledge of GATE EC or GATE electrical or GATE instrumentation in GATE RA. But if you are someone who is inclined towards robotics, then you would be having the knowledge of microprocessor, microcontroller, some basic programming also, you know. It might happen that some subjects of mechanical engineering also, you know, because there is a section of mechanical engineering as well. Like there is a common part, and then there is stream you need to choose, whether you can go for electrical engineering or mechanical engineering. So you guys will go for electrical engineering. But in the common part, there are subjects of electrical, there are subjects of programming, and there are subjects of mechanical as well. In the common part, which is written by everyone, the common part will be written by everyone. So in that common part, there are subjects of electrical as well. Electrical means EC also I am taking. So in that common part, I guess network analysis is there and digital electronics is there. So those 2 subjects are there. Then there are some subjects of programming, and then there are some subjects of mechanical engineering. So we guys don't know mechanical engineering, we guys don't know programming, but we know engineering mathematics, network analysis and digital electronics. Then we need to go for our specific branch, which will be electrical engineering. In the electrical engineering, there are subjects of analog electronics, control systems and signal system. So there we will be able to score the marks. So what I feel is that 60 to 65 marks of question paper you will be able to attempt if you prepare sincerely for GATE EC, electrical or instrumentation. So the conclusion is clear that, sir, I am from GATE EC. If I am preparing sincerely for GATE EC, then without any thought I will be going for GATE instrumentation. If I am someone who is inclined towards robotics, then I can go for GATE RA. Whether I am from electrical, instrumentation or EC, I don't care. If I am inclined towards robotics, then I would go for GATE RA, because sir, this year competition will be less. Question paper will also be coming on the easier side. Understandable? Only if you are inclined towards robotics. If you are inclined towards VLSI, then don't go for it. Go for instrumentation instead. Now let's talk about GATE instrumentation, guys. So you guys see your syllabus of primary branch. I am saying, like instrumentation syllabus, if you guys see, then we know one thing, that let's just say if GATE EC syllabus is X, then GATE electrical is 1.2x and GATE instrumentation is 1.5x. That they have included a lot of things like noise analysis, short noise, like these things they have included. Those are the content of MTech first year. So many things, microprocessor, microcontroller, power electronics, electrical machines, communication system, everything, EMFT, you study everything. They have included everything in instrumentation. So much of syllabus is there. Now I don't know how they would set up the question paper. Are they going to reduce the content of this common portion, or what they are trying to do? I don't know. When I saw the curriculum of GATE instrumentation, I was really shocked. INL, DNL, ADC, DAC, like core of data converters they are asking. which was not accepted, which was not expected. But I don't know how they would set up the question paper, but gate instrumentation guys are really worried. I know that. No one in the whole industry will be able to cover the full syllabus of gate instrumentation. If let's just say 15,000 people are writing gate instrumentation, so there will not be a single guy who will say that, sir, I have completed the 100% of the syllabus. No one can complete it. That's the bottom line. If I had been at your place who is writing gate instrumentation, then which subjects I would have covered? I would have covered those 7 subjects: network, analog, digital, control, signals, engineering mathematics, general aptitude. Then I would have covered measurements, I would have covered sensors and transducers. These subjects I would have covered surely. If I have time, then I would have gone for EMFT, because EMFT questions also they ask in a good amount. After that, I would have gone for EMFT. After that, I would have think of microprocessor, microcontroller, or those data converters, or whatever the subjects are left. Is that understandable to you? So this is how I would have prepared for gate instrumentation as a primary branch, because I have been receiving a lot of queries that, sir, how do I prepare for gate instrumentation? So much of syllabus is there. Sir, electrical machines, power electronics, so many things are there. I don't know how to manage it. So yes, even I don't know how to manage it. Okay, because so much of syllabus they have included. Now, sir, what should be my secondary branch? So being an instrumentation student, your secondary branch should be EC. Because you are from instrumentation, you would also be targeting, what I feel is that you would also be targeting VLSI related branch, and gate EC score will be very helpful when it comes to VLSI in IITs or NITs. Okay, so I would say secondary paper gate EC. Understandable? For instrumentation guys, secondary paper gate EC. Again, the same thing, if you are inclined towards robotics, then go for gate RA. Understandable? Now something special is there for gate electrical guys. Primary paper gate electrical, you are preparing for gate electrical only. Secondary, if you watch my previous year videos, you watch the video of gate 125, gate 124, or gate 126, I always used to make this video. There I would have said that electrical guys will take instrumentation as the secondary paper. Electrical guys, primary electrical, instrumentation secondary. Only for this year, to the electrical guys I am saying, please go for gate EC as the secondary paper. Look, sir, you are from EC, that's why you are saying. Look, you are not going to purchase my course, right? If you are going for the secondary paper, then you are not going to purchase my course, right? And you are not going to give me the application form fees. The fees will be given to IITs only. So I don't have any, what do we call it? I don't have any advantage here. But I strongly feel this year gate EC paper would be moderate to tougher. I would say more towards tougher side only. So with the less marks, you will get very good score in gate EC. Along with that, the competition is also higher in gate EC. You would see that at 1000 rank, at roughly around 1000 rank, people were getting more than 650 score. Roughly around 1000 rank, people were getting more than 650 score, because competition is higher, no? A lot of people are there. If more people are there, then the average would be going down, and if the average goes down, then score becomes higher. So this year, what was the scenario? That whatever the score gate electrical 300 rank guy is getting, in gate electrical someone is having 300 rank, whatever the score he was getting, the same guy in gate EC, he was getting the same score at 900 rank. Yes, competition is higher. In gate EC, competition is higher. But it is roughly tripled, no? But competition is not tripled. In gate electrical, there were 65,000 aspirant. In gate EC, there were 95,000 aspirant. But here you can see that very good score we were getting in gate EC. And gate EC scorecard will be very helpful for your VLSI related branch. A lot of IITs will not be accepting the gate instrumentation score, but they will be accepting the gate EC score. So I strongly feel that if you are someone who is preparing for gate electrical and you are inclined towards VLSI secondary paper, you should go for gate EC. This year, strongly I feel that. Again, next year I may change my opinion, but this year strongly I feel that you should go for gate EC. And most of the electrical students, what really happens with the electrical students, like you guys would be studying analog and digital. You will be studying the same course that your EC guys are studying. Look, analog digital is common in electrical as well, it is common in EC as well. But the analog and digital that is asked in EC and the analog and digital that is asked in electrical, both are completely different. They would hardly ask for like 6 to 7 marks in electrical, but in EC it will come for 20 marks. And in the EC there will be in-depth question, but in electrical there will be surface level question. But what really happens is that both studies from the same course. Even at the PrepFusion, this is the scenario that for GATE EC and electrical there is same course for EC guys and there is same course for electrical guys as well when it comes to analog and digital. So the point is that electrical guys are actually studying analog and digital in depth. And if you are studying it in depth, then it will be very helpful for GATE EC. That knowledge might not be required in GATE electrical, but that knowledge will be helpful in GATE EC. Okay. I have seen a lot of electrical students, they are getting very, very good marks just with the knowledge of those 7 subjects. Are you able to understand this point? Because you already know that in GATE EC we don't need to score very high marks. With the less score as well, we can get good opportunities, right? So this year, yes, only for this year, I am recommending that being an electrical student, go for EC. But if you feel like that's instrumentation, I would go for, there is a lot of common subjects as well. So you can go for instrumentation as well. It's your choice. My recommendation would be going for GATE EC this year. But if you want to go for GATE instrumentation, it is up to you. It's surely your choice. I'm not telling that you should not be going for GATE instrumentation. Okay, because a lot of people might be thinking that, sir, I will study EMFT, I will study electrical machines, I will study power electronics. So all these are common portion, they are inclined, right? So like you would see that, sir, a lot of syllabus of electrical is matching with instrumentation. So some guys might think that we should go for instrumentation, but in the instrumentation you get lesser score, right? I got 68.66 marks in GATE EC. 68.66 marks in GATE EC, rank 27. My score was 895. I got 79 marks in GATE instrumentation. 79 marks in GATE instrumentation, rank 45. My score was 799 or 795, I don't remember. In the instrumentation, there are lesser people, no? There is less competition. So that's why we get less score. And less score means because in the admission, what will be used? Score will be used, no? Your rank will not matter. When you are taking the admission in IITs, score will be used. Rank will not matter there. So there is very high chance that in GATE EC you will be getting better score. That's why I am saying that being an electrical student, you guys should go for GATE EC this year, specifically this year. Okay. Yeah, that was the thing. So let's conclude. GATE EC guys, without any thought, they would go for GATE instrumentation. If they feel like that I'm inclined towards RA, then they can go for GATE RA. If they feel like that I'm inclined towards coding, I'm inclined towards data science, then you can go for GATE DA as well. It's your choice. Okay. If you are inclined towards data science, then you can go for GATE DA as well. GATE electrical guys, you can go with GATE EC as the secondary paper. If you feel like that, sir, I want to go for instrumentation, that's your choice. If you feel like that, sir, I'm interested in robotics, then you can go for GATE RA. Instrumentation guys, they will go secondary branch as GATE EC only. Okay. If they feel like that, sir, I'm inclined towards robotics, then they can go for GATE RA as well. And for instrumentation guys, special notice I have told that how you can cover the syllabus. I would recommend covering those 7 subjects. Then from the core subjects, sensor and transducer and measurement you will cover. And then if time permits, you can cover EMFT. After that, if time permits, you can cover electrical machines, only the transformer part. Okay. So this is how you can cover the syllabus. Full syllabus, no one will be able to cover. Secondary branch, GATE EC. If you feel like that, sir, I'm inclined towards robotics, then you can go for GATE RA as well. So that is the conclusion. Okay. So I hope everything is clear to everyone. Thank you very much. Happy learning.